In this sample, we're going to go ahead and define a library part of our tombstone so that we can use it to develop our fixtures later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Assembly pull-down menu, Define Part, and I'm going to select the solid. I'm going to say Stop, and just OK. Everything in there is irrelevant for what we're doing. Next, I'm going to go Define Component, Define Key Point. And this is going to be the default insertion point of this part. I'm going to select the coordinate system that is at the bottom of my tombstone. The z-axis of this is going in the positive direction up through my tombstone. And I'm just going to give it a designation of bottom center. Okay? Next, we're going to save this as a library component. So we're going to go Assembly pull-down menu, Define Component, Edit Save Template, and we're going to save a standard template. Here I'm going to put them in the My3D standard. And I have a directory here, or a subfolder, if you will, called Machine Elements. But we can create our own. For example, call it Machine Fixtures. I'm going to call this Tombstones, and I'm going to call it Four-Sided. Why not? You can be as descriptive as you want. And we'll say OK. At this point, we've defined our tombstone. Now what I'm going to do is close this down, and in the next sample we're going to go ahead and incorporate this into an assembly and also include our parts that we want to machine onto the tombstone.